little babies. A little bit hush. Hello. 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 Jade's in the box. The little one's trying to play with Jade. I don't know if you can see it in there. Puppy, puppy. They're kind of homebodies with Mama back there. Got one of the dogs in here that barks her head off as you just heard her, and Jade is not a fan. So she's a very homebody since I moved her to this room. Yeah. Is everybody okay? Yeah. So I know the two little chocolates are already sold, and one of the black and tan dapple boys is sold. That girl's mine. She's staying with me. But those are Miss Jade's. That little one was out a minute ago. Now he's not. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Come here, babies. I see you, Miss Jade. Come here, puppy. Come here, little puppy. No, I love my mama. Mama will be coming out in a few days. All right, those are Jade's.